how to fix Fortnite loading screen freeze. So here's what you want to do. Open up your computer search and just type run. I'm going to show you a few different methods. Type percentage local app data percentage and click on OK. From here you want to find the Epic Games folder, so I'll just click anywhere, type E, and you want to find Epic Games Launcher. Load up this folder, go into saved, config, Windows, and find game user settings. Right click on it, go into show more options, and then select properties. From here, make sure read only is unchecked. So if it's checked like this, you want to uncheck it, click on apply, click on OK. Now the second method that we're gonna do here is just load up your Epic Games, just like that. Here we want to go and click on our name in the top right and then settings. Scroll all the way down until you see Fortnite. Just click on Fortnite and select this additional command line arguments, and you want to type this -d3d11. After you have done this, if it still doesn't work, what you have to do is go into your library, just find the Fortnite game, click on the three dots, click on manage, and here you want to verify the integrity of your files. I don't have the option because my Fortnite is not updated, but you want to update or verify the integrity of your Fortnite files. So this should work. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.